Hi everyone. Okay, now we have our program done. The next step would be to save our program and prepare it for upload that you're going to provide to your instructor so they can actually grade and see your program also. All right? It's a multiple step process, so we need to make sure you completely understand what you're doing and you hand in the correct stuff. If you don't hand in the correct stuff, we cannot run it. We cannot see your code. You must do this correctly, okay? And it's not that hard, but just make sure you follow these steps. First thing I would have you do is probably go up and do a save all right here, okay, to ensure that everything is saved on your working program, okay, or your working project. What usually happens is Visual Studio automatically saves everything no matter what, but I don't want to assume anything, and I like just going ahead and double clicking on the double save all button here, okay? Once again, never do a save as. Never go here and do a save form.vb as. It does not work. It's not saving your project for a different name. It's actually saving the form in a different name. And I will tell you, if you do that, more than likely your entire project becomes corrupt and you won't be able to open it and you won't be able to run it. So just pretend that save as does not exist in Visual Studio, okay? That's the safest thing you can do right now for this particular course. All right, I know I mentioned that before, but I really want to emphasize it. I see so many students come up to me and they say, my program doesn't work anymore. And I said, did you do a save as? And they said, yeah. And I go, well, I told you not to. And they had to start all over again. And I hate that. I hate to see you had to start all over again. But people have done it. And so I hope that will not be you. So I hope you're listening to this intently and understanding never use save as. Okay, now that we have everything saved, we'll go up here and kind of get out of Visual Studio. And what we want to do now is that everything's working. You're ready to submit it, for grades, right? And feedback. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to File Explorer. You can go File Explorer a couple different ways. Maybe you already have it up in your down here, right, in Windows. Or if you have to go find it, go find File Explorer. Obviously, File Explorer is all your folders and directories set up in your Windows environment. If you recalled, I saved mine to Documents. Okay, again, where you saved yours is really up to you. And I had them under Visual Studio Example. If you go in here, you see the week 2 example sitting right here. Okay, if you go into week 2 example, you'll see another folder, and you'll see a solution. All right, I'll keep diving into this. You don't need to pay any attention to any of this. The solution file you will, but we'll talk about that in the next video. All right. What you want to be is you want to be at the highest level. Right now, this is under Visual Studio Example, the highest level of my saved project. Okay. You don't want to be here. Okay. You want to be here. Does everybody see this? Now, for your instructor to be able to open up the program and see the program, he needs all the files that are within this particular directory, this particular folder. Obviously, you can't submit them individually, so what we're going to have to do is compress them, zip them. Hopefully that's not new to everybody, but that's what you want to do. All you need to do that in Windows is do a right click on Send To, and hit Compressed. And it will automatically create, as you see right here, a zip folder. Try to refrain from doing .rar, even though I think most of us can open those up now, but it's just easier to send as a zip because I know everybody can open those up pretty easily. So please just do a zip file. I'm going to delete this and show you how to do this again. You're going to come up here, click on it, do a right click on your mouse, the menu will pop up, you're going to go to Send To and hit Compress. This is what you're going to upload. So then what you will do is you will go to your, let's see, I'm going to go to, here we are. If I went to my assignments, where's my assignments at here? These are the videos. Let's see, if we come back, sorry, week 2. You will come into the piece here, you'll go to your assignment. Here's assignment 2. You'll click on assignment 2, and you will go find right here, browse your files. You will go find, let's see, Documents, and wherever you saved it at. Sorry, I'm sending you all over the place in my case here, Visual Studio Example, and you will click on the week 2 example, whatever the name of your zip is, and that's what you submit. And you press submit right there, and you have now submitted your assignment for review. Anything beyond that, if you just hand in the .sll file, if you zip the wrong folders and so on, we cannot open it. If we cannot open it, we cannot grade it. And if we cannot grade it, you're not going to pass the class very easily, right? And so please make sure you do this correctly, all right? So it's not that hard. If you need to, follow these instructions once again, all right? That's all you need to do, okay? In the next video, we're going to show you how to reopen up your project for modifications. Maybe you saved it and wanted to come back to it, how you could do that. And also, every week there's solutions and there's examples and so on to download that are also zipped, so you need to make sure you understand how to unzip those and open those projects. And that will be in the next video.